The Transhield material is made of a shrink material. And while this cover is on nice and tight, it doesn't necessarily need to be shrunk, but if you choose to, I'll show you how. And if you want to learn more, you can go to the YouTube channel that talks more about shrinking. In order to remove the cover after it's been shrunk, you're going to go through the same process that you did when a cover was not shrunk. You're going to loosen up your bungee cords side to side. And then you're going to just peel the cover over the back. Remember, it's got a bungee cord in the perimeter, so you don't necessarily need to loosen that. It's going to be a little bit tighter than when you first put it on, but the cover should come off very easily, and the same thing with the front. Just pull it up over the front, take the cover off, fold it up. The next storage season, year 2, year 3, and so on, simply put the cover on. You're going to want to align your your points where your handlebars were first, and then just slide the cover over the front. Over the back, and you'll see the points where it was lined up perfectly the year before, mirror and so forth, and then strap the cover down the same way you did previously. The cover in year 2 and 3 and beyond doesn't necessarily need to be heat shrunk.